Hi, this is Deanne Rice with DeanneRice.com, and today I want to show you how to restore a blog or website using backups. A little while ago, I did a video and a blog post on how to back up a blog, and I got a lot of comments saying, I back up, but I hope I never have to use it because I don't know what to do with it. And so I wanted to show you how to do it. Now, couple ways I talked about backing up were using plugins. And if you're using the plugins, you need to go to the plugin and follow the instructions for the plugin. But in the video, I showed you how to back up using the cPanel manually. And so I want to show you then how to take that manual backup and restore your blog. And this is the blog right here that I'm going to restore. But because it is up and it is functioning, I don't want to restore onto my DeanneRice.com domain name. So instead, I'm going to restore it onto this domain name, which, as you can see, is completely empty. It's just an empty website. And when we get done, it will look like this. So the first thing we need to do is go over to our cPanel. And because there's absolutely no databases on this website, and we need two databases to put our databases that we backed up into, we need to create databases. So I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to create databases. So the first one I'm going to do is the WRDP1, and I like to use the same names they use. That makes it easy. I'm going to create this database, and I'm going to go back, and now I'm going to create the second one, WRDP2. I'm going to create that one. Now we have to go back and create two users, one for each database. So if we scroll down here, I'm going to do the WRDP1 first, and for my password, I am going to use this password, which I like to copy and paste because I can never seem to type the same thing twice when I can't see what I'm typing. And put create user, and go back, and we're going to do our second one. That's the 2. I'm going to use the same password. It's easy. Not a very good password, but it's just for example. Create that user. No, I don't want that. Okay, and go back. Now we have to add the user to the database. We just do that by going down here. We're going to click add. Give it all the privileges. Make changes. Go back, and we got to do it for our second database and second user. So I need to drop this down, choose number 2, and click add. Give it all the privileges. Oops. Make changes. Go back, and you'll be able to see we have two databases set up. Right here. Database 1 and database 2. Now, we're going to go back to our cPanel. And now I like to upload the WordPress part of the blog first. I don't know why, I just do. So I'm going to go to File Manager, which is right here, and I've already got it up, and you can see it's absolutely empty in there. So we're going to go Upload, choose a file, and this is what we're going to choose. Now, you can see I've stored it in my file for my blog, which is DeanneRice.com, under Backup for 6/2/2011, which is when I made this backup. And that way I know what date I made it. But I'm going to choose this. This is the WordPress part of the blog. I'm going to open it. I'm going to let it start uploading. But this upload takes about 15 minutes. And because I do not want to sit here for 15 minutes waiting for it to upload, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and come back after it's uploaded. Okay, I'm back, and you can see it's finished uploading, and I've got that file right here. So what I need to do is extract it. So I'm going to go up here. Well, I got to choose it first. I'm going to go up here to extract. This just takes a few seconds, and it's going to extract it. And now we have the entire website is right here. So our WordPress part of our website is back up. Now, go back to our cPanel, and we need to go to PHP My Admin to import our databases into the databases we just made. So my PHP My Admin is right here, and if we refresh this, we will see those databases we just made. And there's this one. And it doesn't want to come up. And why doesn't it want to come up? Okay, I have it up, and I'm going to import a file. So I'm going to click Choose File, and this is Database 1, so I'm going to put Database 1 in Database 1. I'm going to click Open, and I'm going to click Go. And this just takes a few seconds, and it's going to come up and tell us that it imported all of the files successfully. Hopefully. There it is. And there's 20 of them. Now I'm going to go to Database 2. And I'm going to choose the other file, our second database, click Open, Go, and it too is going to come up and tell us that it was successful, right there. And here it is. And there's 11 of those files. Now, we've imported the databases, we've imported the WordPress part of the blog. So if we go back here and refresh this, we have restored the website. And it looks just like the one that we started with. So if we go over here and there. Now, the one thing there is, because I put on a different domain than the original one, which if you're restoring, you would be putting on your original domain. But because I did put it on a different domain, there are some link issues. So if you do use this to move a website from one domain to another, those link issues have to be addressed. And that's fairly simple, but I'm not going to go into it now. It is why you don't see the banners right here. But just correcting the links would take care of it, and it would be fine. So I hope this helps you all to be able to restore your blogs. So this is Deanne Rice with DeanneRice.com. Thank you.